Welcome to this episode. In this episode, I want to focus on developing high role leadership skills. John C. Maxwell often talks about this concept, high role leadership, as a leadership approach characterized by taking the high moral ground in decision making, relationships, and actions. In fact, John Maxwell just released a book on this subject recently. And this book focuses on three major factors. Number one, integrity. Respect, number two, and responsibility, number three. And these factors are very key, regardless of circumstances, whether people misbehave or not, because it's all about you choosing your character and values, even when it's not easy or popular. I want to share 6 powerful principles and strategies that you can follow to develop high road leadership skills. Number 1, act with integrity. See, high road leaders prioritize honesty, transparency, and doing the right thing. They don't compromise their values for short-term gains and lead by example in both their personal and professional lives. Number 2, high role leaders respect others. See, treating people with respect, regardless of their behavior or position, is very key. In fact, this is what I call the hallmark of high role leadership. Because leaders who take the high road honors others' dignity and value, even in difficult situations. They don't disvalue people. Number 3, high role leaders respond rather than react. These people don't just react in situations. High role leaders are intentional about how they respond to challenges. Rather than reacting impulsively to criticism or conflict, they thoughtfully consider their actions to reflect maturity and wisdom. Number 4, the focus on elevating others. And this is an important principle that you need to master as a leader. John C. Maxwell, in his book, believes that great leaders lift others up. And I believe this as well. High role leadership means you as a leader helping others to succeed, empowering your team, and creating an environment where people feel valued and capable of growth. Let me give you the 5th one. Lead with grace. Leaders who take the high road show grace to others by forgiving their mistakes, because people will make mistakes. Plenty of them. They will offend you. So as a high road leader, being patient and showing understanding, even in trying times, is very important. And that makes you a high road leader. Number 6, they take responsibility. High road leaders encourage others to take ownership of their actions and decisions. And these leaders, they admit mistakes themselves when necessary and making corrections without shifting blames. They lead by example. I want to encourage you to follow this 6 principles so that you can develop high role leadership skills. Seek to inspire, influence, and build trust in your teams and in your organization, because it's all about leading in a way that prioritizes values and long-term impact over immediate rewards or convenience. I want to encourage you as a leader today to develop this skill. These skills are very important for you to 10x your productivity. Visit our website and learn more about how we are helping and supporting executives, CEOs, and entrepreneurs to create high role leadership culture in their organizations. We want to support you. We want to help your teams so that you can 10x your productivity and create a culture where people learn and become high road leaders.